Hi, this is Chris from Loom Knit Central, and I thought I'd give you a quick view of how to do the honeycomb stitch. Now the honeycomb stitch is pretty cool. It has these little circles here. It gives a really neat pattern. I like doing them for dishcloths too, for scrubber. It has great scrubbing action. And I've also used a stitch to make a baby blanket with nice thin baby weight yarn. But this is made using 3 rows, and I'm going to show you that technique. You can make these little honeycombs smaller by doing it 2, or larger by doing them 5 rows or 6. Usually it's better to do odd numbers to get the right little roundness that you're looking for. So we're going to do 3. So first you're going to start just doing a little slip knot here, and you're going to bring your yarn down straight down to the pin below, but on the inside. You're going to wrap around the pin and right around to the next pin over and bring it right up. And you're going to come straight up to the next pin up here and wrap around and around again and come back down. And then you're going to wrap around and around again and go back up. So we're kind of working in here. We want to have this yarn on the inside of these pins. And you'll see that that's how we create our little honeycomb. And just going around. I'm not going to go too far, but just bring it up like that, and then we're going to come down. Now I'm going to wrap around twice on this one and then work my way back. So just bringing it around and around and just working over the same yarn stitch, yarn pattern, yarn weave that I went through before. I don't know, I shouldn't do videos because I'm really not very articulate. But I like a good video. So we're just coming and bringing it back up. I'm also very klutzy. And bringing it down and around and back up. And then I just kind of like to wind it up like this, get it out of the way. And now, we're going to just yarn over. Just like we normally do. And of course, once we yarn over, that is our first row. And anytime you yarn over, that is your row. And you always want to go halfway down one side and then come back and go back over the other, from the other end. That way it comes through even. If you go from one end to the other, eventually your work is going to come out pulled to one side. We don't want that. And I'm taking my time here and wasting yours, but let's go through and do the other side. And once I'm through, I'm going to do this exact same thing 2 more rows. So hooking over 2 more times, weaving and hooking over. And once I have 3 rows completed, we'll come back. Okay, now I've just finished my 3 rows of the one set of honeycomb stitch. Now we're going to go and do the second set, and this is going to complete our honeycomb. So instead of going this way, we're going to go that way, and we're going to fill in these little holes here. So I'm going to wrap, as you can see here, I'm going to wrap it on the inside of my pin and bring it around at the outside, and then come back in on the inside of this guy and move over and wrap it around. So we're actually filling in these little blanks here. So I'm going to bring it on the inside, wrap it around this pin, bring it across, wrap it around, and we're going to go ahead and fill these in. Just like so. And bring it around and bring it here down to the end. And there we go. And I'm just going to tie this guy off. And just start bringing these over. always make it look harder than it really is. It's not this hard, guys. So we bring it on over. You probably hear a plane going over my head because I live near the airport. And it's a foggy day here in San Francisco, just so you all know, as I continue to try and hook this over. All right. So you get the idea. So this is the first row of the second set that'll complete our little round honeycomb. And put it on over and then flip it around and finish hooking over the other side here. And we're going to continue doing this, wrapping around this set 2 more times. So in total, you'll have 3 of these. Once you're finished with these 3, you're going to go back to that first set and start wrapping the other way again. And you just go back and forth between these 2 sets that I've just shown you. I have instructions underneath this video. Feel free to send me any questions or comments. Just post them in the comments below. And I hope you have a wonderful time knitting. Thanks. Bye-bye.